My name is John. I have been working on a completely autonomous lawnmower for almost a year now. It's not quite autonomous yet, but it's pretty close to it. It's with the remote control and over the internet to work it. This, of course, is cool because you can be inside in the air conditioned, out of the heat, and yet mow your yard. Most importantly, your kids will love it because they can go ahead and get on the internet and actually work. So here we go. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and mow the yard, and you're going to be able to see it. See, here we go. As you can see, and believe it or not, I'm mowing the yard. And then turn around and go back the other way. And here we go. We're mowing the yard. Okay, and there I've stopped. Now I'm going to go backwards. Now I'm going to pop a wheelie.